Is your Thermador dishwasher not draining properly? You're definitely not alone in facing this frustrating issue. Even the latest 2020 through 2025 models experience drainage problems, despite their improved filtration systems and advanced diagnostics. To understand and fix drainage problems, we first need to know the key components that make up your dishwasher's drainage system. There are 5 main parts working together to remove water from your dishwasher. The drain hose is a crucial component that physically carries the water from your dishwasher to the disposal or drain line. Here's what a typical drain hose looks like, complete with the metal clamps that secure it in place. The remaining 2 components are the filter assembly, which includes multiple filters that trap food particles, and the drain valve that controls when water flows out during the drain cycle. Now let's look at the most common drainage problems you might encounter. These issues can range from simple standing water to specific error codes that your dishwasher displays. The most frequent issue is standing water in the bottom of the dishwasher tub. This happens when water cannot properly drain out after a wash cycle completes. You might also notice slow drainage during wash cycles, where water takes much longer than normal to empty from the dishwasher. Modern Thermador dishwashers will display specific error codes when drainage problems occur. The most common are E24 and E25 error codes, which directly indicate drainage system malfunctions. You may hear unusual gurgling sounds during operation, which typically indicates air trapped in the drainage system or partial blockages. Finally, water backing up into the dishwasher from the sink is another common issue, usually related to problems with the garbage disposal connection or main drain line. Understanding these components and common problems is the first step toward diagnosing and fixing your Thermador dishwasher's drainage issues. In the next section, we'll walk through the step-by-step repair process to get your dishwasher draining properly again. We begin our repair process with a thorough initial assessment. This systematic approach helps identify the root cause before we start any physical work on the dishwasher. First, check the display panel for any error codes. Common drainage error codes include E24 and E25, which specifically indicate drain system problems that need immediate attention. Next, open the dishwasher door and inspect the water level at the bottom. Standing water is the most obvious sign of drainage issues and helps confirm the problem location. If your dishwasher connects to a garbage disposal, test it by running it for 30 seconds. A malfunctioning disposal can cause water to back up into the dishwasher. Finally, verify that the dishwasher has proper power supply. Some drainage issues can be caused by electrical problems affecting the drain pump operation. Once the initial assessment is complete, we move to the most critical maintenance step: cleaning the filter system. Phase 2 focuses on the filter system, which is responsible for 78% of all drainage issues. Proper filter maintenance is the most effective way to prevent future problems. Start by removing the bottom dish rack to access the filter assembly. The filters are located at the center of the dishwasher floor and consist of multiple components that work together. Carefully unscrew the cylindrical filter by turning it counterclockwise. Then remove the upper filter and lower filter components. Handle these parts gently as they can be damaged if forced. Clean all filter components thoroughly using warm water and a soft brush. Remove all food particles, grease, and debris. This step is crucial for restoring proper water flow through the system. After cleaning, inspect each filter for cracks, tears, or excessive wear. Damaged filters must be replaced to maintain proper drainage function. Remember these critical safety points throughout the maintenance process. Never skip these precautions as they protect both you and your appliance. With the filters cleaned and reinstalled, we now turn our attention to the drain hose system, which carries water away from the dishwasher. The final phase involves inspecting the drain hose system. This component is responsible for 15% of drainage problems and requires careful examination of both the hose condition and installation. Always begin by disconnecting power to the dishwasher. This is a critical safety step that prevents accidental operation while you're working on the drainage system. Access the drain hose, typically located behind the dishwasher or under the kitchen sink. Carefully inspect the entire length for kinks, clogs, or physical damage that could restrict water flow. The high loop installation is crucial for proper drainage. The hose must reach counter height before connecting to the disposal or drain line. This prevents dirty water from backing up into your clean dishwasher. Finally, verify that all connections are secure at both the dishwasher end and the disposal or drain connection. Loose connections can cause leaks and drainage problems. Following these 3 phases systematically resolves 65% of dishwasher drainage issues. For complex problems involving the drain pump, electrical components, or recurring issues, professional service is recommended to avoid damage and ensure safety.